Today, I'm going to share one of possibly the dumbest things I have to share with you. Don't go away. Hello, everybody, and welcome to Fat Guy Productions. I am Paul, coming to you as always from beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. And look, I always try to be honest with you guys, and today's video probably isn't going to be for all of you. Okay, it's kind of stupid. I'm just going to say that. But look, I need this thing. Well, I want this thing. And so I need to show it to you now so I can get it out and start to make use of it. And that's because, look, the room is principally done. But there's still adjustments. Like I just moved 2 Hobby Zone pieces over here that were over there. I still got to figure out what's going on over there. So, you know, there's things. There's stuff that has to happen. Okay? And so I've got models to build. I've got die-cast projects. I've got all these things. I got fun time favorites and blah, 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 blah. And the list goes on and on and on and on. And I got to get something done. And so today I'm going to show you this. Okay. Now listen. Here, let me show you this. This is the pocket knot. The pocket knot. This is a toy made by my all-time favorite YouTuber, the Craftsman, over at Steady Craftin'. And he actually makes these right in his own little studio and sells them on his shop. And I have that, and I've got some other little things. I've got some of his stickers and whatnot. I love the Craftsman, and I'm finally starting to realize why I love him. We're simpatico. Okay? If you watch his channel, he's very eclectic. He has done die-cast cars. He has done scratch building. He has done mold casting. He has done 3D printing. He's done it all. Okay? And if you notice my channel, I'm very eclectic as well. And I found that we love a lot of the same things, including this. Let's take a look. So, the Craftsman has a penchant for old, vintage-style Dymo labels and Dymo label makers. Now, he uses them as titling in his videos and stuff, and I probably would do that, except for the fact I don't want to be a copycat, and so I'm not going to do that. But what I do want to do is I want to use these to label up my room to make finding stuff in the new environment a little easier. And here's the thing. Growing up in 5th grade, my best friend Eddie Allen and I, we did a lot of stuff together. We'd hang out, we'd build models, we'd do all sorts of things. We had squishies. You've seen a video on my squishies. But one thing that Eddie and I had in common with Craftsman is we both loved the vintage label makers. Look at this. Now, this is the Dymo Compact, which is fine. But, man, I don't know what it was. We always had label makers. And I don't know why it intrigued us so much. Now, you've seen me use label maker tape in my model building projects. It's great for adhering a straight edge onto like a fuselage to rescribe panel lines or something like that. But in this case, these are actual vintage labels, and they're going to be for this. And here is my label maker. And man, we used to just love these things. And look, here's all the instructions. But the container is rotten. So fortunately, I'm taking this right out. Okay, so it uses a 2-inch tape. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Okay, no, it uses a 3/8 or 9.5 millimeter label tape. And they're saying here, pull 2 inches out. Feed it through, close the compartment, click it forward as you spell what you're going to spell. And does it have the cut button? I think it's got the cut button. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this out and let's make some labels, shall we? You know, I was in 5th grade. I don't know why this hit me a certain way, but it did. It hit me a certain way, and I loved having a label maker, and me and Eddie always had one around. Look at that. This is old school, baby, old school. Look at that. And then, okay, so I'll show you how it works here in a second. Just admire. Brand new. You saw me take it out of the package. Brand new. This was $6.99, but I don't know when this was listed. That's a lot of money. $6.99. Ooh. Now here's a roll of tape. Dymo labeling tape. 3/8, 6 rolls in different colors. And you saw it was already 6 rolls. What? Oh, 6-inch rolls. 4. God, man, I'm an idiot. Can't read these days. 4 3/8 inch by 6-foot rolls. Rainbow glossy labeling tape. Let's try the red. Okay. Don't need the packaging. All right. So, what you did is you hold open this little door. And you pull out. Oh, God. I'm such an idiot. It's been a long time since I've used one of these. So anyhow, I think it'd be really cool to label all of my compartments and stuff using this old school label maker. So you hold it this way, then you're going to pull 2 inches out of here. Huh? Don't seem right. It seems like that seems wrong. Oh, it's going to be right. Okay. So we pulled 2 inches out of here. Okay. And then I guess it goes up. It goes into here and goes up. That little track. Can't do this, man. There we go. And then this drops in. So, then we close the little door. And now we can start to click it forward and hope that it's feeding. And it is not. because that must not be right. Yeah, it looks like that's the way it's supposed to go. Let's try this. Try pushing it in with our fingers. There we go. It's feeding now. Okay, it is feeding now. Well, it was feeding. It's not coming out. There it goes. We just have to click more. Okay, so it's sticking out. Can you see that right there? Sticking out there. And basically, let's make a label that says decals. You turn this to D. Squeeze the trigger. Advances. And E. It does not look like it's working right. It put all of them. Okay. Try again. Put them all, stack them all up in the same place. We should be able to see it advance. Okay, here we go. A D. I don't know if it advanced. It did not feel like it did. Well, this can break my heart if this doesn't work. Okay. Let's try this. Kind of help it along. Turn it to the cut place. I had to kind of almost tug on it a little bit. And then here, this is the cutter. You put it and they squeeze it. And it didn't cut. So, it's not working really great. But what do you expect? It's probably a million years old. But at the end of the day, I got my decal label. And it's exactly the way I hope it would look. Okay, let's do this. Here's my decal container. See, I had the old label on there. Peel that one off. All right, take that off. And then let's see here. on. I remember these were always fun. I don't know why it's not feeding well. I don't really care either. I think though, I need a big one. I need the big one. See, this is so much harder. But I don't care. That it's not about how easy it is or anything like that. Certainly my new P-Touch label maker is a million times better than this. But that's not the point of this now, is it? And I'll take this up. Look at that. Look at that. Huh? How great is that? That is fantastic and old school. I love it. I love it. Okay, let's do interiors. You know, let's see if this will work by itself now. No. You know, I wonder if you have to manually move it forward after each letter. Nope, you gotta pull on it. You have to kind of pull on it. I don't know why. I still love it. But it does make me want to get a better one. That's all it really does is make me want to spend more money. Go figure. Okay. Get this one on, and then we can wrap this up. It's been a while since I've done a fun time favorite for you guys, so I hope you're enjoying this. I hope this is taking you back. I hope maybe you, like me, have a penchant for things like this. Look at that. Look at the personality of that. Here, let me show you. Let me show you this. This is clearly really perfect and super easy and stuff, but look at the personality of this. It can't be beat. I love it. I love it. I remember some of the fancier guns, you could actually change the disc out and put in different typefaces. I vaguely remember that, but that is so wonderful. Oh, that is so much better. I love that. I love that. I'm gonna do another one. So listen, I'm gonna do another one while we're talking. Here we go. Ring stuff. Okay, so what is this? It's a label maker. It really is. It's all it is. It's just a label maker. It is nothing ultra fancy. It's nothing super expensive. You can buy them on eBay. They're a dime a dozen. You can buy old label tapes. You know, it's just an old school label maker. A lot of you may still have some of these laying around. I don't know. It's not the kind of thing that really wears out or anything like that. But it takes me back to 5th grade and screwing around with Eddie Allen and building models and doing stupid things and coveting label makers. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ah, such a better aesthetic, if you ask me. And fun. You know, it gives you something. You know, it's not just typing in. Everything is typing these days. This is more tactile and just fun and takes you back to a simpler day. And boy, do I love this thing. Not sure why it's not advancing the tapes so well. Don't care. It's working. And what I want is I want to get a bigger one. If you want to see the bigger one when I get it, please put in the comments and let me know. Anyhow, I hope you love this video as much as I'm loving my Dymo label maker. If you did, please give this video a giant thumbs up, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss one of my videos. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below because I really honestly do love to hear from you guys. All right, that's going to do it for today. I hope the rest of your day is phantasmagorically and nostalgic. Okay? I really do. I hope you have a great nostalgic day. Until next time, this is Paul from Fat Guy Productions saying, be good.